Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. This is Zainab Kamran and welcome to the new lecture of English S1. Today we are going to revise some sounds that are given in your book exercise of Unit 2. So take out your books, page 11 as displayed in front of you on your screens. This is your page and we are going to revise the sounds. Can you see the block on the top of the page? After A, part A, say the sounds. I'm going to say these sounds. You have to repeat with me. Alright, say these sounds with me. The first one is eat. Double E-T, eat. Eat. Feet. Sweet. Feet. Sweet. The second sound is ache. Ache. A-K-E. Ache. Take. Cake. 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 Next is ought. Ought. Hot. Pot. Hot. Pot. Old. Old. Bold. Cold. Bold. Cold. Ed. Ed. Red. Bed. Red. Bed. Now say these words on your own. Pause the audio and say these words on your own. Now we are going to fill in these blanks with the help of these words. जो हमें words ऊपर blocks में given हैं हम उनकी मदद से हम ये जो blanks given हैं हम उनको fill करेंगे. For example, the number 1 is already solved. The oven is very hot. The oven is very hot. Number 2, I like to bake a dash. I like to bake a dash. What can you bake? Cake. I like to bake a cake. Now can you see the sounds of bake and cake are same? Because they have same ending alphabets. A-K-E. Bake, cake. I like to bake a cake. I have toes on my dash. Where are your toes? Where are your toes? Yes, on your feet. I have toes on my feet. I have toes on my feet. Number 4, I have a bad dash. I have a bad dash. जब हमारी तबीयत ख़राब होती है और हमें बहुत बुरा ज़ुकाम लग जाता है तो what do we say? I have a bad cold. I have a bad cold. Number 5, I sleep in my dash. Where do you sleep? I sleep in my dash. Where do you sleep? Choose from the words given above. I sleep in my bed. I sleep in my bed. Number 6, the dinner is in the dash. The dinner is in the dash. Where is the dinner? Can you see the picture on the page? The blue pot. And it has the dinner. So where is the dinner? The dinner is in the pot. The dinner is in the pot. Did you dash my toy? If your brothers or sisters, if your siblings take your toys and they're not giving you back, you can't find your toys, how do you ask them? Did you take my toy? Did you take my toy? 8. I like to eat a dash. I like to eat a dash. What do you like to eat? Choose from the above. I like to eat a sweet. I like to eat a sweet. The puppy was dash. The puppy was dash. How was the puppy? The puppy was bold. Number 10. I like the color dash. I like the color dash. I like the color red. Choose from the above words. The next the drawing part is given. This is your homework. You have to draw a hot pot and a red bed. A hot pot and a red bed in these boxes given below, right? Now let's go to the B part. Before that, pause the video and complete the A part. B part. Ring the odd sound. Now there are 3 words given in each line, and the words have same sounds except for one word. 2 words के sounds जो हैं वो same हैं और 1 word का sound same नहीं है. I will say 3 words और आपने देखना है कि which word has different sound, और जिसका different sound होगा you will circle that. Or number 1, for example, trap, clap, slot. Now trap and clap have same sounds. App. Trap, clap, slot. Slot has a round sound. Slot. Trap and clap have same sounds, so we will circle slot. Next one, number 2, pool, peep, sleep. Which has a different sound? Pool, peep, sleep. Which has different sound? Pool. That's right, pool. So you will circle pool. Number 3, stay, pram, clay. Stay, pram, clay. Now stay and clay have same sounds. AY, A, clay, stay. But pram is a different sound, so we will circle pram. Number 4, loop, cool, hoop. Loop, cool, hoop. These 3 words have same sounds. No odd sound here. Loop, cool, hoop. Oo sound, oo, oo, oo sound in 3 words. So we will not circle any sound. Number 5, mart, cart, lamp. Mart, cart, lamp. Which is the different sound here? Mart and cart have same ending sounds, art. But lamp has an amp sound, which is different, which is odd one. So which word has odd sound? Lamp. Very good. Number 6, bake, book, look. Bake, book, look. Now look and book have same ending sounds, but bake is different. So circle the different sound. 7, wave, love, cave. Wave, love, cave. Now wave and cave have same ending sounds, but love has slightly different sound. So ring the odd sound. Circle the word which has different sound. Number 8, hole, pole, hall. Hole, pole, hall. Now hole and pole have same ending sounds. Which one is different? Hall. Please complete this page. Thank you.